Hey guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make the most amazing curry rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's J's Kitchen. So this recipe is really easy and simple, and I know you guys will enjoy it so much. So let's just start by preparing some of my favorite seasoning for this curry rice. All right, so we're just gonna go in with one small onion. We're gonna add one stalk of Escallion. We will also be adding the French thyme, but if you guys have the regular fine leaf thyme at home, you can always go ahead and add it to your curry rice. All right, I will add a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, and guys, remember to add garlic, but even though I don't have the garlic right here, I will be adding it, and also I will add a piece of tomatoes. All right, so I want my rice to be really looking lovely and all of that, colorful, so hence the reason for adding all of this seasoning. So you want to go ahead and chop up your seasoning, and you don't want to chop them up too big nor too fine, just the right size. So you have to use a good judgment for that. All right, and guys, just a note, I will be using parboiled rice for today's recipe also, but if you guys have white rice at home or any other rice, you can always go ahead and use it. All right, so this is my pot that I'm going to prepare my rice in. I went ahead and add a small amount of vegetable oil. You guys can always go ahead and use coconut oil, or you can always go ahead and use olive oil. I will also be using 2 different types of curry because listen, I will not be leaving out my betta pack curry mixed with my original Indian curry. Listen, the color is amazing. You want to just combine the curry in the oil, and you want it to burn a little before you add the seasoning. All right, so once it's burned, you're gonna go in and add the onion, the scallion, all of those goodness that we prepare earlier. Combine all of that together. You want to always extract all of that flavor from the seasoning before you add the rice. All right, so now that everything is combined properly, I'm going to go in and add a small amount of salt. And guys, listen, I was making this pot of goodness and I stopped so much time, so you guys won't see all of the things that I prepare for this rice, but I will try my best to explain. All right, so I went in and added my rice, and we want to combine the rice with the seasoning and the curry properly so that the rice grains is coated properly before we add the water. Right, all of these ingredients, remember, you can always get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen. All right, so I'm going to go in and add some water, and I will be using 2 cups of rice, and I will add 2.5 cups of water. All right, combine that together because you don't want all of that seasoning to settle on top. You want it to be all over, and you just cover it and leave it to cook until most of the water is boiled out of the rice. So once most of the water is boiled out, we're going to go in and add a piece of foil paper, and the foil paper helps to make your rice shelly and not too soggy. And all you need to do, just go ahead and add some water on top and turn on your stove on low heat, cover your pot and leave it to just steam. All right, and basically this took me about 15 minutes to prepare, even though I stop. So it's really easy and simple. So this is my rice, guys, and it's all cooked and ready. So I'm just gonna use my fork to just dig in and show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's really shelly. So in a minute, I'll show you guys the final product from a different view. So guys, this is the final product of my curry rice. As you can see, it was really easy and simple. So I hope you guys try this recipe at home. I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.